everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have the new MOZA Mini MX2, the world's first Autosense smartphone gimbal, for a review. MOZA introduced the MOZA Mini MX2, the brand new smart Autosense phone holder function. Using the built-in smart sensor, the phone holder can detect the phone precisely and clamp release it automatically. Simply place the phone in the center of the holder. The clamps will automatically close and balance. The Mini MX2 can provide you an extraordinary hands-free shooting experience. Designed for smartphones, it will let you shoot horizontal for something a little more cinematic, but also vertically for your Instagram stories, TikTok and other social media platforms. It's also a folding gimbal that actually folds small enough that you can slip into your pocket. MOZA Mini MX2 is a portable, lightweight and affordable smartphone gimbal for everyday use. The newest feature of the MOZA Mini MX2 is the Autosense phone holder. It is a smart sensor that detects phones easily and precisely. The smart sensor can automatic releasing and clapping and also balancing automatic your phone. The MOZA Mini MX2 has a maximum payload of 218 grams. The gimbal should be able to handle pretty much any large screen smartphone on the market today. MOZA's genius design of Mini MX2 is for making the filming easier than ever. With the upgrade of the MOZA Classic Deep Red Anti-Shake algorithm, the stabilization of the gimbal now reaches a new level. The smart transition design enables users to transit from portrait to landscape orientation in a second. The classic MOZA spiral folding design can make the folding size no big than a notebook and allows the gimbal to travel everywhere with you. The Mini MX2 is a gimbal with solid stability and is super easy to use and operate. The MOZA Mini MX2 offers intelligent features to help make shooting more efficient. The incredible tracking system of Mini MX2 can keep a subject in sharp focus while moving the object at high speed. Click the triangle button and MOZA Genius built-in all algorithm can automatically recognize the face and quickly lock it, allowing you to easily track the person's every move. With smart gesture control, user can use simply hand gestures to trigger the shutter and stop recording. The app is equipped with eye behavior recognition algorithms, which can recognize specific gestures through the lens capture, automatically trigger functions such as taking pictures and videos, and free hands to make shooting smarter. The MOZA Genius app is a powerful all-in-one photo and video editing app, and it's tailored for mobile filmmakers. The magic mode of the app provides a wide variety of built-in creative shooting templates and offers a super easy editing process. Shoot with the MOZA Mini MX2 and edit in MOZA Genius app. A cinematic masterpiece can be created in seconds using the Genius app. Magic Mode has a large number of classic templates that fit current trends, covering the needs of all kinds of people. Just choose the template you like, follow the prompts to quickly generate the same cool movie. The MOZA Mini MX2 has many advanced shooting modes like fast tracking, inception mode, time-lapse, sport mode, slow motion mode and dolly zoom. Whether you are recording a vlog or following the action, the MOZA Mini MX2 offers creative functions to allow you to unleash your creativity. Overall, the fact that MOZA Mini MX2 is foldable and fits in my photography gear bag easily is a huge positive point. It comes with its own tripod included in the box. MOZA Mini MX2 has several physical controllers on the arm. Double or triple taping makes them perform different tasks. I really like the clips that's holding the phone. It's very easy to place the phone in. The MX2 detects the phone precisely and releases it automatically, and the powerful engines inside balance the phone. All in all, I'm definitely happy with the MX2. It is a great tool for someone who's looking to make a short movie, vlog or YouTube video and are looking to add some production value and creativity to their videos. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see videos like this. Bye!